Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 circular saws available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best circular saws. The 5th product on our list is the Rockwell RK3441K 4.5 inch. This circular saw from Rockwell is great for its small size. It has a blade with a 4.5 inch diameter, making it thinner and 50% lighter than conventional 7.25 inch saws. Also, its 5-pound weight allows it to be carried easily around. Its ease of handling due to its small size is not a trade-off of its performance either. Working at full capacity of 5 amps and 3,500 RPM, it equals the performance of conventional heavy circular saws. At a maximum performance, the blade has its cut depth at 45 degrees and 90 degrees. It also has a bevel capacity of 0 to 45 degrees with a 1.25 inch vacuum adapter. It comes with a depth of cut adjustment lever. The blade has been designed to appear at the left-hand side to better cut line visibility for more accurate cuts. Other noteworthy features are the compact circular saw, 24-tooth carbide tip blade, parallel guide, vacuum, adapter, and hex key. Its pros are: it is easy to assemble, it has a quality build, and its size is great for getting into small places. However, the Rockwell RK3441K 4.5 doesn't cut a straight line, even with a guide. By getting a Rockwell RK3441K 4.5, you're getting a high-performing saw that is very convenient to use and transport, and best for cutting wood. Up next in the 4th place is the CRAFTSMAN 7.25 inch CMES 510. Looking for a sturdy saw that wouldn't give in under severe and demanding job site conditions? The CRAFTSMAN 7.25 inch CMES 510 is strong enough at a total weight of 9 pounds to do just that, with its premium grade magnesium shoe, metal upper, and lower guard. Simultaneously, with a weight of 8.7 pounds, it is designed to be compact and lightweight, while its contoured overmolded handle and metal rafter hook makes it convenient to maneuver. This saw has a high-performance motor that runs at a speed of 5,500 RPM, making it a sturdy, fast cutter. Its blade is a diameter of 7.25 inches with an 18T carbide tip blade of up to 2 1/8 inch capacity for 2x materials. It also comes with a tool-free beveling shoe that pivots up to 45 degrees for angle cuts with detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees, making it easy to use. Lastly, this saw allows for easy change of blades with its spindle lock mechanism. Well regarded for its strength, this saw is aggressive and will finally slice through the hardest of materials. Its pros are: CRAFTSMAN 7.25 inch CMES 510 is lightweight and easy to carry. It handles all cutting jobs with ease. And you can power the saw using any 19.2 volt battery from other CRAFTSMAN tools. However, the cons are: it does not come with batteries, and its cordless design makes it not suitable for super big jobs. CRAFTSMAN 7.25 inch CMES 510 is a great tool for individuals who want maximum portability with various cut options. Still haven't found the circular saw that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Makita 18V LXT 6.5 inch. The Makita 18V LXT 6.5 inch circular saw is a combination of speed, toughness, and precision with convenience. It is designed with a 3,700 RPM motor, so slicing through materials quickly and finely is fast and easy. The 6.5-inch blade cuts with a capacity of 2.25 inches. Additionally, it has a 50-degree bevel cutting capacity, making it excellent for cutting many different materials. Its handle is made of soft rubber, which gives it a nice soft grip. It isn't bulky, as it has a low weight of 7.3 pounds with a battery. It is comfortable to use, and that makes handling and transporting the saw simple. The saw has also been designed with star protection computer controls, which keeps it from overloading, overheating, or over-discharging. This saw works with the Rapid Optimum Charger, which is sold separately. It keeps the battery temperatures under check, enhances battery performance, ensures battery longevity, and recharges the battery whenever it is going out. Finally, it comes with a multi-purpose blade that performs well under different job site conditions. At the same time, its precision machine base is designed to offer smooth and perfect cutting. Its pros are: its blades stop faster than other saws after use. Its saw balance is excellent when it comes to one-handed cutting, and it comes with a dual fence mount. However, the cons are: its front cover plates could be better, and it has a small blade. The Makita 18-volt LXT 6.5-inch circular saw is a step in the right direction. It is the best power tool for people who need a solid saw and great performance. The second product on our list is the SKIL 5280-01 7.25 inches. Lightweight and easy to use, SKIL 5280-01 7.25 inches is good for anybody regardless of skill. It provides a laser line ahead so an accurate cut can be achieved. This circular saw can cut as deep as 2 7/16 inches when placed at a 90-degree angle and 1 15/16 inches at a 45-degree angle. The bevel can be adjusted up to 45 degrees, which is decent for many cutting jobs. Moreover, the powerful 15-amp motor delivers 5,300 RPM for greater speed and faster cuts. It is compatible with standard and arbor-sized blades. It also includes a spindle lock button that allows for easy and safe blade changes. The SKIL 5280-01's blade is on the right-hand side. This increases balance and makes it easier to handle and maneuver. Additionally, it comes with a blower that clears the sawdust outline while it cuts and allows you to slice a perfectly straight line without mistakes. This saw isn't big, it's just 6 feet long, which makes it very short. However, it is convenient to handle with its rubberized grip. It also reduces fatigue. It comes with a soft carrying case, making it easy to transport and protect it from dust and water. Its pros are: the SKIL 5280-01 7.25 inch is lightweight and easily maneuverable. It comes with a laser guide to help you achieve a straight cut, and it includes a blower that removes sawdust from your cut line. However, the cons are: its control handle is not strong enough, and it has a short warranty period. If you are looking for a circular saw with outstanding cutting capacity and excellent design, the SKIL 5280-01 7.25 inches is your best buy. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top circular saw is the DEWALT 7.25 inch DWE575SB. DEWALT 7.25 inch circular saw comes with an electric brake that automatically stops the blade once the sawing is complete. It is designed to be lightweight at 8.8 pounds and a width of 7.7 inches. At the same time, it is well balanced. Notwithstanding its small size, the saw can perfectly perform some of the most tasking applications with 1,950 max watts out (MWO) and 5,100 RPM. Moreover, it reduces fatigue as it has a 15-amp motor that keeps you from exerting your energy while it powers through the tough woodwork itself. It also comes with a 57-degree bevel capacity with 22.5 and 45-degree detents, and a 2 9/16 inches depth of cut capacity. This saw ensures a perfectly smooth cut, made possible by its smooth aluminum base, which keeps the saw leveled reducing shakes as it moves. It ensures durability through its tough cord system that provides 3 times more resistance to cord pullouts than other circular saws without a tough cord system. It also has a dust blower that makes sure there is always a clear line of sight for quality performance. Its pros are: DEWALT 7¼ DWE575SB is a lightweight and easy-to-use tool. It packs a lot of power, and it cuts different types of materials accurately. However, it does not have a blower to blow off sawdust while cutting. Still, this DEWALT circular saw is suitable for individuals who want a powerful tool that can cut through thick wood effortlessly and produce straight lines. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.